Hey, today I'm here to show you how to make one of the best sandwiches. It's personally my favorite sandwich, and this is a ham, turkey, bologna, and cheese sandwich. It also has some pickles and salt and pepper on it. There's a lot of different sandwiches that you can make during the quarantine. There was tuna fish sandwiches, ham and cheese sandwiches, and there's like po' boys, hoagies, meatball subs, anything like that. So first, you're going to be washing your hands and getting a clean surface to do this on. But of course, I've already done that because I don't want to get sick or anything like that. So now you're going to go onto your materials that you're going to be needing. You're going to get your bread, which is, I'm using white bread, but you can use rye, wheat, honey wheat, anything like that. That's personal preference. Now these two are optional. This is salt and pepper. You don't have to use it. I like to use it because I like it on my sandwiches. And here are the condiments, like mayo, mustard, or ketchup, and relish. I don't like them on my sandwiches, but if you do, that's all you can put them on there. And some people like it, some people don't. So first, you're going to be getting 2 pieces of bread. Like I said, I'm using white bread. And next, this is where you put your condiments on. You put mayo and spread it with a knife, and mustard, anything like that. But like I said, that's my preference. I don't want to do that, but if you want to, you can do that. Now first, you're going to take your bologna, and you're going to get 1 single piece of it and put it on either slice of bread. And now for this step, you're going to take your turkey, and you're going to get 2 pieces and put them on 1 or 2. You're going to get 2 pieces and put them on both sides of the bread. And you're going to do the same exact thing with the ham, but you can do turkey before ham or turkey after ham. It really doesn't matter. Now you're going to take your ham, like I said, and put 2 pieces, just like the turkey. So if you're like me during the quarantine, this was a pretty good snack. I ate it all the time, and it was just a good filler until I got to lunch or supper, but this could also be a supper or lunch item. And next, you're going to take a single piece of cheese, and you can put it on either side, doesn't matter. I'll just put it on the left side, just like that. And now it's time for the pickles, which is my favorite part actually. You're going to get your fork or spoon, it doesn't really matter. You do 2 or 3 pickles, if I can get it, and put it on the slice of bread that does not have the cheese. You don't want the pickle really on the cheese. It might slide off whenever you try to fix it. I'll use 3 for this one. So now that you got that, you're going to want to get your salt and pepper. Like I said, it was optional. You don't really have to use that if you don't want to. But I like it, so I'm going to put just a little bit of salt and pepper on this thing. So my mom actually told me a funny story about how my aunt used to eat rice sandwiches. She'd put butter on the bread and then rice in the middle, slap it together and eat it. I think that's absolutely disgusting, but you might have liked that. I don't know how y'all guys like to eat this stuff. Doesn't really matter for me. So you can also, if you want your sandwich to be toasted, you can put it in a toaster oven or just a microwave or anything like that. Microwave probably wouldn't work actually, but it would be toasty. You could put butter on it if you really want to, but I don't really recommend that. So now you're going to get your sandwich and you're going to fold it over and press down a little bit. And if you use white bread, it's pretty famous for getting stuck to the roof of your mouth, and I don't think nobody really likes that. And just press it down just a little bit, but don't get it like wet from the pickle juice, because that's mainly how it sticks to the roof of your mouth. Now you're going to want to take everything and wipe it all off now. After you, oh wait, you got to cut your knife. Get your knife and you're going to cut the sandwich. You can put it in either halves or triangles or anything like that. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to cut mine down the middle for now because that's just how I mainly do it. But you can do it into triangles, quarters. Although quarters would be kind of hard to do. So now you're going to get your napkin that you have, and you're gonna wipe down your area, as you don't want any crumbs or germs anywhere for later. So this is my favorite sandwich because I just really love all the flavors, like the bologna and the pickles mixed with the cheese and the salt and pepper. So that's just my favorite part about it. But I also really like the bread. But like I said, you can use any type of bread that you like, and just personal preference. Like I said, you could be putting your stuff on there and condiments, stuff like that. You can use other spices if you'd really like to. But now you're going to take chips. If you have any chips, like Cheetos or Lay's, anything like that, you can really use anything for chips or a side. Like you could put some queso on the side if you want to get chips and queso, like from Log Cabin or something like that. You could use that as a side. You're going to want to get a drink because, like I said, it might stick to the roof of your mouth, and you don't want that because it doesn't feel very good. You could get like water, Hawaiian punch, soda, anything like that. And just make sure you put everything up after, and you don't really want somebody else to clean up your mess that you created. And this is, you gotta be responsible for yourself and take care of your own business. Let's try it. Pretty good. Hope you like it.